Do you know which is the youth capital of Europe this year? Do you heard about
Capital of what?
youth capital? Okay. Do you like Kolozsvárska kapusta?
Yes.
You don't like?
No.
Okay, you have to know which is the youth capital of Europe. Because it's Kolozsvár, Cluj-Napoca. It's in Romania and it's a center in Transylvania. Okay.
Sorry.
Do you know which is the youth capital of Europe this year? Do you heard about youth capital of Europe?
No, I don't speak English.
But you understand what I said? The youth capital of Europe. Not of the Union, because that of the youth people. Cultural program. Do you like Kolozsvárska kapusta? Okay, it's Kolozsvár, Cluj-Napoca, the youth capital of Europe. You have to check on the internet. Please, thank you very much. Do you know which is the youth capital of Europe?
Yes.
Youth capital of Europe, of the Union, European Union.
Capital city of Europe.
Yes, not of the Union, but of the youth, the young people's capital. Okay, do you like Kolozsvárska kapusta?
Yes.
Why?
Little bit.
Little. It's Cluj-Napoca, Kolozsvár, which the name of Kolozsvárska kapusta. You have to check on the internet. This year is Cluj-Napoca, Kolozsvár is the youth capital of Europe. In Romania, it's a town. I come from there, and yes, I heard that Kolozsvárska kapusta is here
Yes,
a good.
but I don't know if it's the same, the recipes of this food.
It's garbage and meat.
Yes.
You eat? No?
Yes.
This year, the youth capital of Europe, not cultural capital, but for young festivals and program for young people, there is youth capital and cultural capital too. It's two things. It's not the same thing. Last year was Košica. Do you like Kolozsvárska kapusta?
No. Yes.
It's Kolozsvár, Cluj-Napoca in Romania. Do you know which is the youth capital of Europe this year? I heard that Banska Bystrica want to be in 2018 the youth capital of youth people, it's youth programs for young people, for students and for young. This is youth. Okay. Do you like Kolozsvárska kapusta? Okay, Kolozsvár is the city in Romania. It's Cluj-Napoca in Romanian. Kolozsvár is the Hungarian name of of Cluj. Yes, it is now this year. Do you heard about or do you know which is the youth capital of Europe? It's youth programs, festivals for students and for young people.
I don't know.
It's like a cultural capital, but it's young cultural capital for Europe. Yes. Okay. Do you like Kolozsvárska kapusta or not?
No.
Okay. Kolozsvár is a city in Romania, which is the youth capital of Europe this year. You understand?
No.
Do you heard about youth capital of Europe? Which is the youth capital of Europe this year?
Capital of Europe? You mean
Not
like culture or?
Cultural youth capital. Not cultural, it's another thing. It's for students, for young people.
Well, honestly, I don't know.
Okay.
Do you?
I heard that Banska Bystrica wanted to be in 2018.
Yes.
I find a Facebook page and I liked it. Okay, do you like Kolozsvárska Kapusta? Do you heard about Youth Capital City of Europe this year, 2015? Do you like Kolozsvárska Kapusta? Or do you know the food, no?
Kolozsvárska kapusta?
Yes.
Yes. I like it.
Cluj-Napoca, Kolozsvár, it's a city in Romania. That is the youth capital city of Europe this year.
Oh,
It's
okay.
the name. It's the same name of the food. Kolozsvár. Kolozsvár is the Hungarian name of
I didn't
Cluj-Napoca.
know till.
It's in Romania, in Transylvania. Okay.
I never been in Romania.
You have to come.
You're from Romania?
Yes, yes. I come from there.
You wanna make a
Yes,
video?
yes, yes. With the questions. Do you heard about the youth capital city of Europe 2015
Okay,
this
you,
year?
you can, but not too long, please.
Yes.
Just 10 minutes.
This is the it's 1 minute just.
Just 1 minute.
Yes. Do you heard about the youth capital city of Europe this year?
What kind of capital city?
Youth capital.
Youth. Oh, I didn't.
And do you like Kolozsvárska Kapusta?
Kolozsvárska kapusta. Oh, I don't like it.
You don't like?
No,
You?
You have some in back?
I don't. Kolozsvár, it's a Romanian city,
Oh,
town.
Romanian.
It's
Okay.
Cluj-Napoca in Romanian, but it's in Hungarian language, Kolozsvár.
Okay.
It's a city in...
Is it in the north, Romania?
It's in
Not
the center of Transylvania. If you heard about Transylvania,
Yes, sure.
it's Carpathian Mountains.
So it
there.
used to be the Hungary part.
Yes, it was in the past,
Yeah.
before Trianon, if you heard about...
Yeah, sure.
Yes,
I like
and
Trianon.
you like Trianon?
Sure, come on. Czechoslovakia.
Yeah, yes, it's the Romanian likes too.
Yes, so.
I am a Hungarian half and I don't like. Okay, this is the Kolozsvár is the name of the food and the name of the city too.
Okay, I didn't know.
Okay, thank you. Well, it's okay. It's not doesn't matter. If you know, come closer, please. Do you heard? Do you heard about the youth capital of Europe, the youth capital city of Europe this year?
Culture?
Youth, not culture. It's another capital city. It's another thing. It's like a cultural capital, but it's youth capital for students, youth programs.
Ty si počula to? To pre mladých také hlavné.
Okay. Do you like Kolozsvárska Kapusta?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, what's the point? Kolozsvár is a city in Romania. In Hungarian it's called Kolozsvár, in Romania it's Cluj-Napoca. And that is the capital city of youth capital city of Europe. Do you heard about youth capital city of Europe?
Žilina.
Žilina?
Ako mesto sa pýtam, ne?
But
Andrea, veď komunikuj city, mesto.
it's not cultural capital, it's youth capital, another capital city. Okay. And do you like Kolozsvárska Kapusta?
Kolozsvárska, jasné.
Yes.
Yes.
Kolozsvár, it's a city in Romania,
Aha.
a town. It's called Kolozsvár in Hungarian language. In Romanian it's Cluj-Napoca. That is the youth capital city of Europe this year, 2018. And in the summer there will be concert with David Guetta and Avicii.
No,
You are invited there. if you want.
V Rumunsku je také, jak bolo Košice, to hlavné mesto
Košice
was last year.
yes, but it's another cultural city. Not cultural, it's youth capital city.
Okay, so it's not the
It's for
same.
students, it's not the same.
Okay.
There are two.
Okay,
Uh,
I thought that it's the same.
Yes, I will tell you. I will tell you. Do you like Kolozsvárska Kapusta?
Yeah?
Kolozsvár is the city, the name of the city, but in Hungarian.
Okay.
In Romania it's Cluj-Napoca.
Yeah, it's Cluj.
Cluj, yes.
They played Champions League. football.
Yes, CFR is the
Yeah.
railways group.
Okay.
You heard about Youth Capital City of Europe this year? Or okay. Do you like Kolozsvárska Kapusta?
Yeah.
Kolozsvár, it's in Romania, it's a city. Cluj-Napoca in Romanian.
Yeah.
That is the youth capital city of Europe this year.
Ah.
Okay. Do you know which is the youth capital of Europe this year? Every year
Last
is a
year was Košice,
Košica. Last
year.
Yes.
I think,
Uh-huh.
maybe 2 years ago. And this year,
This year, yes. Do you heard
capital city of
of youth capital city? Not of culture.
Yeah,
It's another. There are
Culture,
two
youth?
capital, youth and culture
youth.
capital.
What is youth? What is it?
Young people, young festivals and programs for young people.
I don't know.
Okay. Do you like Kolozsvárska Kapusta?
Yes, of course.
How you say?
Of course.
I pronounce good
Of course.
pronunciation for Kolozsvárska Kapusta.
Oh,
It was good. How you pronounce? Say.
Translate it?
No, say in your language Kolozsvárska Kapusta.
Kolozsvárska kapusta. Kolozsvárska kapusta. Kolozsvárska kapusta.